Hey, what's up? So today I'll be unboxing a Latrax Teton. So this is everything you will receive in the box. You get the RC car, battery charger, batteries for the transmitter, quick start guide. This transmitter is the same as the Trax's TQ transmitter. This is the charger it comes with. It's still a pretty slow charger. It'll probably charge your battery in about 2 to 3 hours. You can upgrade to a 2 amp DC charger which plugs into a cigarette lighter, and that should charge your battery in about 30 minutes. The quick start guide has everything you need to know about using it, and towards the back it also has breakdowns of the parts. So if you break anything on this, you can replace any part on here. So you don't have to worry about if you break it, you just throw it away. This is one that you can actually fix. The body is just held on with 4 clips. This is the battery. It's a 7.2 volt nickel metal hydride. It's 1200 mAh. This is the same size battery as the Mini Revos. The speed controller and the receiver up on top. And you have the motor and the steering servo on this side. These do have full ball bearings in the wheels and the differentials, so everything runs a lot smoother. And these do have oil-filled shocks, so it's not as bouncy when you're driving. It's actually pretty stable. The body is available in 4 different colors, but I only have 3 of them. The other color is the same as this pink one, but this is blue. This is the blue and orange body, and the red and black body. This transmitter is 2.4 gigahertz, and it is bound to this RC, so you don't have to worry about running multiple RCs. They won't interfere with each other. Okay, to turn it on after you have the batteries in, there's a switch on the bottom. Turn that on, and then on the RC there's a button right here, and the red light will turn on. The steering is a proportional steering, so you can turn a little bit and it will just turn just a little bit. So it's not like the other RCs where if you just turn a little bit, it turns all the way. Same thing with the throttle. You can just go a little bit, all the way up to full speed. And it is forward and brake with reverse. You go forward for brake and then hit it again. So this also does have a training mode. So to turn it off, you just push the button again. And then to put it in training mode, you push and hold until this flashes 3 times. Okay, now it's in training mode, and it will have half the power, forward and reverse. There is one other mode. It's forward and brake only with no reverse, and that will be 2 flashes. So just turn it off again, and then push and hold until you get 2 flashes. Okay, that's going to be forward and brake only. That does have full power, but this battery is actually dying. So to put it back in the regular mode, do the same thing, except it'll be 1 flash. Okay, so that'll be full power forward and reverse, except for my battery is dying because I didn't charge it. So that's it for this video. I will be doing a comparison between this and the pre-runner, and also the Mini e-Revo. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.